Welcome back to Pet Pals. We're going to take a look at a couple more of the kittens from the same litter that we looked at before the break. This little guy is Roland. He was also born same litter as the other three so far, February 28th, so he is about 3 months old, and he's on the smaller side. He's just under 4 pounds. We went ahead and gave him the preventatives that he needs, snap tested him for leukemia and FIV. We've color-coded him green as well. One of the protocols prior to being placed on the adoption floor, we wait until kittens are 3 months old. That offers them a better response to anesthesia, because we do spay and neuter all of our dogs, cats, and bunnies prior to leaving the shelter. So kittens need to be at least 3 pounds to be able to withstand that anesthesia safely. We also microchip, so in the event that an animal is adopted, maybe gets away from its owner, gets lost, if it ends up at a shelter, vet's office, that microchip is permanent identification that allows that animal to be returned to its owner. So this little guy is Roland. I think a lot of times when people are thinking about adopting a kitten, they have a certain color in mind. What I encourage you to do, though, is to come into the shelter and visit, because even though you might want a brown tabby, Roland is an orange tabby, and he might just be the personality that you're looking for. So again, nothing replaces coming in and actually visiting with these guys. But this is Roland, one of a litter of 5 kittens that came in that's looking for a forever home.